Today we're going to show you how to install an aftermarket hood on the C8 Corvette, in particular the carbon fiber hood from EOS. So let's get started. So to do this job, here are some of the tools you'll need. The biggest thing you're going to want to keep in mind is that it's important that you have a second set of hands to help hold in place both the OEM hood and new hood for this install. The job is relatively quick and easy to do and requires about 30 to 45 minutes to complete. And I'll have a link in the description below to the tools that I use, as well as this hood in particular from EOS, who's sponsoring this video. So first thing we'll need to do is uninstall the OEM hood. From this, we'll need the latch, rubber bumpers, and hood bolts to install onto the new hood afterward. Before removing though, it's a really good idea to place some soft microfiber towels on the edges of the hood in case they move and don't hit the front windshield. Also, if you're intending to keep your OEM hood, you'll want to make sure to have a place to lay it down. I found using the top of the aftermarket box as well as some of the padding worked well in this case. So to uninstall the hood, use a 13mm socket to remove the two bolts on either side. Make sure you have a second set of hands to hold the hood in place as you remove these bolts. Once that's done, you can remove the OEM hood and place it upside down so you can gain access to the front latch and bumpers that you're going to need to install onto the new hood. Next, we need to prep the new hood. In general, your hood should just need to remove the shipping blocks that are attached to the support holes. You'll want to discard the bolts used for the blocks and instead use the OEM hood bolts instead. Next, we can go ahead and install the new hood onto the hinges of the C8 using the OEM bolts from before. It's important to note that you're not trying to do a final tighten just yet. You want them to be slightly loose in order to help you adjust the alignment of the hood afterwards. Once that's done, take a Phillips screwdriver to take out the transport temp screws from the latch section. Afterwards, remove the latch section from the OEM hood using a 10mm socket. Once you have the piece, you can reattach it to the new hood. Again, keep in mind you're not going to want to tighten it just yet. You're going to want it slightly loose to help with the final alignment. You'll also want to transfer the rubber bumpers from the OEM to the new hood as well. These twist off the old hood and can be twisted onto the new one. The last thing you'll then need to do is adjusting the hood for alignment. First, slowly close the hood and check where the gaps are. You can slightly shift the hood forward, back, and side to side. This kind of took a few tries, and I found if I focused on fixing the front gap first, it then helped my side gaps. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below and check out any of my other videos for more C8 Corvette install guides. Thanks for watching.